Jackie?
What?
Is that bike outside yours, Jackie?
No.
This come here. This bike's been here since last year. Can we fix if there's no owner?
Is it a colleague's bike? Does anyone own the silver bike outside?
Isn't that Jupiter's?
Jupity?
That one.
It's really old.
I don't ride it. I sweat too much in summer.
You don't ride it. When?
Trying to negotiate.
If we leave the abandoned bike, it'll rust and rot.
Convincing me.
Lance Galstrong.
We'll turn that bike into something valuable.
Then is it mine? Then half geekful, half jujupity.
This okay?
Thinking of the environment, turning it into a useful bike. Upcycling.
Exactly. We'll make it a better bike.
The bike's name was Dolly. Dolly, I'll let you go.
You mentioning the name makes me feel guilty.
We'll send off Dolly with care.
Send it off.
No, excuse me.
Not sending it.
Not sending it off, Dolly.
I shall return.
Can it be saved? Can it be saved?
We can save it. Don't worry.
Leave Dolly to us.
I trust you.
Bam.
Good, Jackie. Dolly secured?
Okay, let's go!
Let's go. Let's go.
Upcycling, let's go!
I'll restore Dolly.
Jackie, how will we upcycle? Does it work better wet?
No. The bike looks like this. We are going to remove the front wheel.
So cut and weld the frame.
Yes, like this. The storage space, which was this small, will fit this size. Shall we go?
Okay, let's go!
Let's go now.
All right. Oh, Jack.
Oh my god.
I don't, where does all this steel go?
What we're doing is not bicycle recycling, but upcycling. Right? What is upcycling? It's upgrading while recycling.
Wow.
These are the steel materials for upgrading. This stands for...
Sure, we cut.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go! Cool glasses.
We're doing some intense work. Cutting this frame precisely.
Yes.
Like this. See? Cutting it off. And
Yes.
also cut here like this. And here, cut about this much. Fit it into our frame. It's neat, right? It's shiny.
Is this the frame?
Yes, that's correct.
Wow. Coating stripped.
You strip the coating to process it, right?
Cutting and grinding.
Yes. This is the front wheel, and this is the back.
Yes.
Fits perfectly.
Fits perfect.
Yes, we just need to weld it.
So now we're combining the old discarded bike with our newly fitted frame.
Yes.
Sounds good, Jackie.
Yes.
Where to?
We're working on the bike handle.
Yes.
We're going to get the mounts and flanges for the bearings. The machining is all done.
Oh,
Wow, it's neat. As you can see, it's freshly machined for the bearings.
Looks clean, right?
it fits perfectly.
Perfect fit. That's the charm of design.
Where's this go?
Under the handle. Thanks, sir.
It's taking shape.
It's 95% welded. But we can't control the front wheel yet. The handle is here. The axle is there. So we need a device to connect them.
Yes, how it is connected.
I'll show you now. This part we machined earlier fits right here.
Yes.
Insert this, and it won't wobble.
Okay.
Connect it like this. Turning the top moves the bottom.
Oh, I see.
We need to connect these points and link the power.
What's this called?
Push rod. It's literally a rod that pushes. It pushes and pulls precisely. But as it rotates, there's a change in angle. The rod end bearing ensures the force is transmitted consistently despite the angle change.
Yes, rod end bearing.
If axis, it moves.
I see.
It's fine if it moves up and down. I attach it. The bolt. I've welded at the end. That's done. Same at the front. Connect it.
Is the connection done now?
Yes, when it moves.
Oh,
The handle turns like this. Push and pull.
amazing.
Assemble the wheels.
Yes.
Try it without pedals. Okay.
Oh,
Creepy. Oh, you made something weird again. Why?
try it.
Can I ride here?
Go ahead.
Yes, yes. Okay, let's go. Huh? A tandem bike! A tandem bike! Oh, it's like a tandem bike where I don't have to do any work. I just sit still. And Jackie drives.
Exactly, feel the wind. Jackie can ride back,
Drives easily.
What? Is it finished?
Let's test.
Can I try?
but no pedals.
How without pedals? What bike?
It's so light like this.
Pang's going wild.
But for a first timer, you're driving well. Better than expected.
It's fun.
Look around.
You can load luggage or ride.
Looks bizarre. The wheels seem disconnected.
So, the color isn't pretty, right?
It's pretty.
Say it's ugly.
It's not pretty.
Yes, we're going to paint it nicely. The paint we'll use is a bit different from regular paint. Stainless. Rust-proof coating is used. Since we'll use it outdoors, it might get caught in rain. It's more resistant to moisture than regular paint. And it's strong against changes. We can get the color we want and excellent rust prevention. This way, the headset bearings are assembled. Now the BB bearings are secured. Damn it, made in Geekdom.
Oh my god! Oh my dolly!
Really bizarre.
What's this?
What's this? Showing is better. Please sit.
Sir,
Sit
Wait a
down.
minute. Hold on, just a moment. Please
Hold
stand.
on.
Why?
Oh, here?
Load capacity.
How many kilos?
120 kilograms.
How did it find?
Oh, thank goodness.
Oh,
but it's kind of creepy. They cut and extended the bike, adding different parts,
Oh, Dolly.
like a Frankenstein vibe.
Ah, a cyborg, a modified robot.
What's original and what's new?
This part is original,
Oh, creepy.
and the back is original.
I think you could actually sell this.
How much?
I don't need it now.
All right, everyone, let's board the Dolly limousine. Oh, really? Oh, really? Honestly, I'm a bit scared. More comfortable. No. The ride's nice, smoother than expected. So smooth. So smooth. All right, turning left, everyone, turning left. Steering, oh, excellent, excellent, excellent. Oh, excellent, excellent. Excellent, smoother than I thought, nothing uncomfortable, quite good. Trust the drive. Only got on because it's Jackie. Only for Jackie.
For research.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Now the bicycle's key. The PD's running.
Oh, it's tiring. Oh, I'm sweating.
It's cold, but available in a hoodie.
I'm sweating.
Oh, smooth, smooth. Let's go. Oh, hello. All right, we found a fellow cyclist. Everyone, in this camera view, you'll see Gokwe running hard. Ha ha ha. Wow. Following Gokwe.
All right. Whoa.
All right, his shoes are on fire. Various people are glancing at us. With many eyes, it's quite embarrassing. It's okay because we're Geekball. Hello, ma'am. Yes, it seems Jackie's driving skills are starting to show. Oh, speed up! This scaring me.
I won't follow. It's tiring.
Dolly limousine success.
How's the ride?
Well, our Dolly was reborn through a recycling project, wasn't it?
Oh, that's right.
Thanks to Jackie and Gokwe's meaningful recycling project, we made something useful at Geekball after a long time.
Wow, well done, Dolly.
Well done, Dolly. I'll make sure to use you well. Geek bye.
Jackie, usually, when purchasing something, now, you can go by yourself?
Now Song Sudong is within reach.